How old are you again?
I'm 15.
We're gonna have a good time.
Ayaw. Punta kami Maple.
Yeah, give me. I'll do the intro. I'm kind of hungry.
My ears burn! Ano, baliktad naman?
Hindi nga, di ba? I'm kind of hungry sa una. So, pag patapos na,
Are you hungry? Kasi nakakain na.
Oo, nakakain na. I'm gonna jerk off on that.
Wow! After this, I'm gonna have a swollen ear.
That's so funny. I'm gonna come.
Don't come. I
Do not
can.
come. Do not come.
I can come.
Are we going to Jared's?
Jared.
Are we fetching them?
Yeah. Mula ka, ready ka daw, sabi ni Dad. You know, ready ka pala.
What do you think?
Yo, wait, Mike! I have 2 earrings, 2 gold earrings. Waiting now, ipasa natin. Forgot. Oh yeah, got ready tissues. Ano ba t-shirt? Ano ba t-shirt? Wala, ready. Hindi na ready.
Oo. Ay, guys, ready first, folks? Ready first? Okay, you gotta go now.
Talk to y'all. Talk to chat. Alright, now we're both going down. Oh shit. I can't show that to the camera.
Why not?
Look! There's one guy over there. I can't see him in the...
They upgraded.
Yeah! I can go in.
Charles ba to? Ay, kala si Charles, bro.
Why is it sure?
Nakita ko yung shorts eh.
Yo!
Uy!
But,
Yeah, same color.
Kenapa niya?
Oh. Yes! Same color, same
bro!
Oh, he also brought the board.
Spacey, I've been lost inside a daydream. These hopes of mine could really break me or catch me by surprise. Faces, sun-kissed skin inside a basement. LA kids just trying to make it before the next sunrise.
Build the camera while I go out. Oh fuck. It's pointing at your face. Ay, ako ba? Akala ko... Oh shit, oo nga.
Ako.
Ay, ikaw? Yun.
Okay na ako.
Ano na po, nagpa-vlog na po. Pixel J Red.
Pwede pa ba?
Vlogger?
I don't think we should.
Vlogger.
We should put it down here.
Puta.
Ha? Ganito mo pa. Parang ano dito boy, parang yun.
Oh shit. The f***? Sige nga. Oh, bali. I still haven't fully mastered this shit.
Yes. Yung Jared, oh, yun, yung nakabike. Pabulin na.
Oh shit.
I can probably catch them.
Dito ka na.
Ano na po? Oh, tayo. Pa.
Try mo.
Pero mga
Ano punahin natin?
Okay. So ngayon, maghanap kami spot talaga. Pero nakita namin may 7-Eleven. We're gonna rob that.
Ano ba 7-Eleven?
Slurpee.
Ah, meron ba talaga dito?
Yes.
Ganun ito mga kain
May Slurpee dyan guys. Yung di 50 pesos na Slurpee. Sobrang laki yung ganun. Ayaw ko lang oh my god.
Laruin nyo ako.
Guys, ano namin?
Challenge. Ay, hindi ba?
Challenge. Kung kaya ng ano namin, ng social anxiety namin. Pag may nakita kami naglalaro ng badminton, tinidro kami. Sa ngayon kasi wala pa, pero feeling ko doon. Ay, hindi. Hindi.
Ayun yung dalawa. Oh my gosh!
Ano po yun? Ano ako yung cute?
Ha?
Ano ako yung cute?
Ako yung gulong.
Turuan ka nila. Ano?
Ako meron.
KJ, pasok. Yan.
Yun o.
Ay, meron ka gagi.
Crazy.
Medyo nakakaya.
Malalasan, malalasan. Ito nakita.
Dala ka.
Slurpee scramble.
Crazy. Umatawa mo sa harapan.
Hindi, sikat naman eh. Sikat naman.
Magkano? Magkano po?
Sikat naman yun eh.
Sikat naman eh. Kala mo naman sikat ka talaga eh.
Baka sikat dahil wanted.
Sikat ka naman eh.
Wanted.
Sikat kasi wanted. Yung poster ko na ganun na.
Ganda na.
Yeah. Happy jump.
Red Cotton Candy. Uy,
Oh my god.
Uy, Jared, tagal mo bago intro. Bagong intro. Go tayo bagong intro.
I can't wait. Pagtalin mo na hulog phone mo. Come on, dude.
Ginati mo kasi.
Yun to pre. Intro.
Bagong intro. Edit. Ready are. Ako Jared. Recording ba? Konti, stabilize. Gusto mo yung camera?
I will not be going after you, bro. How do I zoom in? Oh. Oh. Airplane.
Kinabahan kasi ako sa camera, kala ko nila yung sabi ko, I was like, oh!
She know how to say yes, daddy. Good girl, she know how to make a man happy. She a short queen, but she get a little scrappy. Watch out for this girl, she a little nasty. She know how to be a straight till we can't feel our bodies anymore. Girl, I want you to feel sexy. You look good, baby girl, just bless me. If it's illegal to touch, so arrest me. Every time we get together, you impress me.
After all that shit. I'm tired. So what happened?
So apparently, if we skate here again, they're gonna shoot the fuck.
Oh, pinagbawalan kami mag-skateboard kasi bawal pala dito mag-skateboard.
No way! Really?
Yeah, man.
No skateboarding, bro. You're breaking the rules.
Wala ba tayo pwesto?
Sure! Ako na kayo pwesto, balik na namin to.
Alright. Mag-music video ba kayo?
Yay!
Oo.
Ako na kayo pwesto.
Okay.
Pero I'll go...
Go inside na. Alright, boys. Ayun sila. Pare ko tang ina sising ko. Ayun sila. Alin? Ayaw nga no.
Ayun pala.
Ayun yung spot guys, sabi ni Jay. Oh, she's only a DS, bro. O nga pala, mag-picture nga pala yan. Mag-picture taking tayo. Picture taking tayo mamaya.
Pwede bang umuwi?
It's a DS.
VDS. That's VDS.
Isang ultimate cheese po.
Ano din nyo?
Tsaka...
Bacon and cheese sa akin.
Ah, shit. Ayun lang, isa pa. Wait lang.
This spot is buzzing, bro. Wait, it's actually really good. First thing ko lang makain yung spot. Bite?
think he will. I don't think he will.
One bite? Nope, not smile, bro. I said bite.
Bite.
One bite, one bite. Ay, man. Saktuhan ko ba? Una makakuha ng prize, panalo 10,000 pesos from him.
I did not say that. I did not say that.
Run. Ano?
Huh?
Ano? What else yung target?
Dalawa po.
Kalim sa baga.
Ito na si Jack. Wala po nakano dito.
Shot him, you grazed him. Shot him in the ball. Higher.
May recoil, Jack?
Hit the guy's arm. You hit her in the stomach. You hit low. Hit her in the neck. Both sides of the chest. Hit him in the chest. Kunwari nga rin. Dalawa pa sa baka.
Ayun, kamay siya.
Nice one in the neck.
Patay mo na yung babae!
Gagawin sa babae. Meron na sa isa sa ano, sa shoulder, tsaka sa kabilang shoulder. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang aw ng Pilipinas. Vansan CR. Dulo.
Break na. Uy, mag-CR tayo. Picture tayo dun. Kung may mirror.
CR picture.
Oh, heck na! Cause we're badass. Wag po, may babangga ka. Ha? Hindi ako si Seth. Para tayo mag-music video ka. Mag-music video rin.
Uy, ang ganda ng mga shots ko. Dat maganda edit nito ha.
Kaya pre, dapat mangas.
Sean, kung naririnig mo to sa editing.
Ay, wait lang. Shoutout. Masarap pa yung coffee?
Sobra.
Shoutout.
Shoutout sa ano yan?
Coffee Brero.
Coffee Brero.
Hindi na kami mag-hire ng cameraman, we already found one. Sweldo niya 0 pesos.
Uy! 0 pesos!
Payag ka dun.
Tapong ko to.
Yung sweldo mo magagaling sa kanya.
Tape. Tapos mo na yung phone. Keep mo yung stabilizer.
Hindi, legit.
Pero may tripod tayo ba?
Diyan, tara. Dito ka dyan. Yun na. Nasa what? Nasa Mac. Hello.
Kuya RG kumakanta.
Hey yo. Ginakpan si Jory to.
Sorry.
Hindi kasi ako ganun mag-picture na eh. Solid.
Hindi, record tayo, pre.
Forward.
Tara, pre, record na doon. Uy! Hindi, count to 10.
O dyan, kunwari music video, Jay. Kunwari music video.
Nasa kwak! Nasa Mac!
Ay, sayang. Natagal pa ko rin.
Huli sa camera, pre.
Joke lang.
Uy.
Let's go.
Thank you for your phone. Ay, that's your phone.
Go, mas.
Ay,
Diyan ka galang.
magpisa na tayo bata, may bata.
Oh, outro.
Ivan, are you hungry sabihin na?
Ha?
Hoy, are you hungry?
Are you hungry? Sige.
Are you hungry sabihin na? Outro. 3, 2, 1. Are you hungry?